Wait, it's not ready yet. Never face the chicken. Road trip.
What's your dream? I love holding you when we're sleeping. I love holding you when we're sleeping. I love holding you when we're sleeping. Keep it coming, kissing and hugging.
Hey guys, I'm so excited to share that this part of the video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community for creatives where millions come together to take the next step in their creative journey. Skillshare offers thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people on topics including illustration, design, video, freelancing, and much more. You can learn how to make artwork for loved ones, how to take care of your new plans, how to edit like a pro, and create an online presence. You can even learn how to make the perfect holiday gift for your special someone. Skillshare offers creative classes designed for real life and all the circumstances that come with it. These lessons can help you stay inspired, express yourself, and introduce you to a community of millions. Discover new talents and widen your perspective with Skillshare. I've been learning how to increase my video editing skills and how to build my creative career. If you want to join a group of learning creatives, make sure you click the link in the description box. A yearly subscription is less than $10 a month. The first 1,000 people to use the link in my description will get a free trial of Skillshare Premium membership.
Yeah, because you can't see it. I was like a zoom right there, girl.
I'm gonna try to block that out as best I can.
Drinking water for now.
Forever.
For now. And leg a cramp up. The
Second time.
Who can drink?
Let's stretch out the leg then. It's better now.
Ready, start.
Ever have I?
Yeah.
Ever.
Ever cheated on my man?
You have a man?
A woman. Never could you drink, please?
Oh wow.
My mistake in my younger years, you know? Right. I mean, we all make mistakes, right?
Yeah. No, skip me.
No.
Oh, yeah. Okay. What are you drinking for? Oh.
And up? Olivia, and up?
Okay. Never have I ever did a motorboat on a girl.
5 minutes later.
John, I look like you do everything.
Wool up, just wool up. What's a business, man? Because I'm
No, I don't do everything.
I don't think so hard.
Take it easy. Yo.
Wow, it's a nice view though, not gonna lie.
Hi guys. We out here with no fare. What's that? We're not going in.
We out here, we not going. See it there? Life, me, I make sure go. We out here, we not going.
Andrew can't do nothing. Andrew can't do nothing.
Alright guys, so we're at the wrong entrance. So we're on our way out now. We're reversing. Aldane is reversing.
Wow.
The lighting is so good. I hope y'all enjoy this vlog. Make sure you go down. Alright, come in a lap. Shoshana.
One cheek on him, one ass cheek on her.
My booty's all warm. Warm booty. Ooh guys, so that's where we were coming from, all the way down there. We could have. Get a little exercise.
No, he.
So guys, apparently there's a 40 feet deep, huh? 40 feet deep section over there. Well, we're going over to the not so deep section because no incidents today, yeah? But she said it's deep enough that we can swim and feel like, you know, we're swimming. But it's not deep where we can't stand up. Yeah, the grass is very wet. I think it's the dew. Kinda want to take off my shoes. Yeah, I can take off my shoes. But the grass, make a wait. I should have worn my Crocs now. But the road coming up here was so rough. Yeah.
Oh, you want to drop the bags off first?
On a lazy? And me have 2 bags. Oh God. Anyways, be right back. Okay guys, so there's the lizard thinks I shot a tree. And it green, it was very green. Oh my God. So guys, anywhere you see the yellow rope, that's a dangerous spot. So the current coming down from the river into the corner creates a vortex, she said. So we just need to stay away from it in general.
Yeah, man, you can literally walk in. There's some 2 rope swings that you can swing off.
Nice.
Right there. Over across the river is Chapel Cove,
Right.
and it's also St. Mary. Over here is St. Anne.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Ooh,
so
guys.
I remember that
You can
bomb
literally
reach at
get
St.
there
Mary.
within seconds.
Yeah, we have to do that.
No. You just have to.
Finger off.
You just have to. Okay.
It's mushy.
Use that one first. No, use that one.
You can't.
No, I jump. You can stand up on the jump.
Because over so.
Browning. Hey.
Shad, jump off of the rope.
Yeah, what's the video? Shut it, yeah, jump off.
This one. Right there. No man, see your mud over there.
So you want to put it on my Dixos and
To the water, man. To the water, you know, long more play back, you know. Pass that to the family, love.
Whoa. My hair's a mess, but here's Sash. Guys, I had to change. I brought a dress to put on, so I want my dress. Lotioned up. We're kind of ready. Me and Sash kind of ready because we're hungry.
yeah.
We'll bring my belly with
Once
it.
the belly reach one eat, good time to go.
Time to go, definitely. The bathroom is that way.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, that way. Hey, that walks up.
I was like,
I'll go.
today I have literally no sense of direction.
A little tour of the place, of the river, from me and Sash, your favorite tour guides. We're just ready to eat. That's it. If we didn't have more chicken, like I feel like it'd be so good.
As long as I have food, but I'm just like, nah, I've been hungry from in the car. I fight over the chicken.
Yeah, the one little piece of chicken. Whoa.
Right here, I feel like the shallow spot, but as soon as I hit down there, so it's downhill.
I like that rush though, like, and me get washed away at the same time. But wow, that's nice.
I can tell right there is deep. So.
The 40 foot, what should I talk about? No, like, I think further up probably, or further.
Right there, deep.
Because we can't see the bottom. Wow, guys, this is beautiful. This is real nice. Watch me too. What minute slide now?
But the thing is, they're so unexpected. Like, the riverbed changes all the time.
Mm-hmm.
Change the whole move
And this had come over here, so you see. It's so pretty. Down the sun, like at the very top still. Go try walk through the trees. Yeah, 1 second, let me catch a good little. Guys, mermaids definitely lived in this river. Yeah. Mermaids definitely lived in this river, no doubt. No doubt. Because can something be so beautiful? It's crazy. Alright, so we're moving on from the last spot I just showed you. The mermaid spot. They should name it by area. That'd be cute.
Alright, mate, now follow me. We're about to take a trip into the deep blue oasis, okay?
It's a very terrible Australian accent, but I get the point. Ooh, there's so many little paths that we can just walk down. Reach back like the Instagram girls. Well, like me sometimes. No, like set your face that way, like, and reach back like.
Oh, yeah. I don't
Come make it.
do it with some steps.
Come, we're gonna do it for the video.
Like this?
And put your hand up. Put your hand, yeah. Ooh! Look at it, make a screenshot it. Wow. Nah, this way I get washed with for real, but
That's really strong.
alright guys. Whew. Sorry, mosquito is, or some type of flies or whatever, tearing me up out here. It would be nice if they had a jerk hut. I don't know if they normally do, but if they sold food here, people would most definitely buy it. Huh? A little hidden a little pool. Oh.
Now this is where the mermaids chill and talk in H2O and just chat for them like.
Look at the tadpoles. There's tadpoles in there. Moss, hold on. Them don't look like no regular fish. But it don't look like tadpoles either. Huh? No, just the yeah. Tadpoles or something like that. Yeah. Woo! If anybody, yeah. Whoa, it's strong. That is taking you away. Because the little current that was down there that was bringing us.
Honestly, the best way to fight a current is don't.
Yeah, I know, you don't.
Reach a place like this, like a rocky shore, to keep upon and try and manipulate that. Because a lot of people just would, like, they get exhausted and then give up the fast stuff. So they really can't fight the current.
Yeah. I wonder if this is what we saw when we were coming, because I always see a body of water on the road. So we must have gone up and like around, like I don't know, when we're going back I'll point it out to you. But it's weird because I'm trying to think. Guys, I don't know how all over the place this vlog is, but look how beautiful and blue this part is. So this most definitely has to be the 40-foot deep part. Me, I gotta make sure I hold on tight and not not drop out of my hand today. There's a tree here where we can climb up. So that's cool. So beautiful. But I'll try to catch it for the vlog. So maybe, yeah, maybe I perch on the towel. Guys, they got some video for us.
I love holding you when we're sleeping.
I love holding you when we're sleeping. I love holding you.
Keep it coming.
Alright, we're packing up now to go. I've been packed. Me and Sashawn are ready. If you guys haven't realized, we're ready to eat from a long time. So, bag, inside a bag, inside a bag. It's a bagception. Bagception.
Oh.
There wasn't any water up there.
Yeah, no, it gone. She said the pump, them teeth the pump.
Yeah, them did that. Want to see me keep on the table?
Yeah, I was gonna carve my name into this bomba. All them people are carved so nice and neat. Not even my handwriting stays so like on paper and pen. No, look.
That's like cursive?
Yeah, okay, no, it's not.
Nice.
That's nice. This is how. This is how mine would look.
Have a knife?
No.
Oh.
No, I'm not bad.
This is how mine would look. I think this says Jules or Julia or Julie. Something. But this different, like next level. What one cursive then? A bomba look on the lizard. What if it just jumped down on me? Alright. Tumble along into the water. Would you guys laugh at me if I fell in the water?
Afterwards, Lord.
Afterwards, when you find out I'm alright. These names are so cute. Just imagine my name somewhere here. If you haven't seen me, I was here. So I would love to leave my name though. I think this is cool history, you know? Especially if you come back, like, look how cute this is. Someone did a heart. If I was here, so Shauna, come here, you put mine and your name with a heart. Yeah, the pen wasn't if it gets really funny or anything, But if not, I'm just ending it here. Bye. We met some very kind ladies. You too. We met some very kind ladies. They're so nice, talking about a wellness retreat. So I'm wondering, for all my people who live in Jamaica, no matter where in Jamaica you live, whether you live from Westmoreland to Portland, from St. Mary to the tip of Kingston, like, would you be interested in going to a wellness event in Ocho? I know Ocho is a very great location for people to get to. The highway is there on both ends, so the road is a little bit rough, like I was saying earlier, and you saw that. But if you could come, would you come to a wellness event? Yoga, meditation, poetry, different events, people selling different things. Just leave a comment down below and let me know. My hand is getting so tired and I'm running out of breath, so I will see y'all later. Bye.
She said, oh, but you speed it up. So then I beat it up. And now she tryna cuff.
Oh, this is the perfect time for you to tell us a bit about yourself.
Okay guys, I'm now Shoshana Thompson, an attorney at law. I do criminal and civil matters, litigation matters, conveyancing matters, all of that. Then get more info right here.
Make sure you guys screenshot if you come to Jamaica and you need a lawyer.
I wanted to go. Okay, go.
Pas de soleil,